When me a look at youth, we used to say, don't gamble if you can't take losing. This man went to the bookie, the gambling shop, lose all that money, took it to heart and walk out in a big truck. Greetings to all your viewers and subscribers. Do give thumbs up passing through. Here comes another review. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click the notification bell. Please and thanks. Your support is highly appreciated.
Poor People Production presents WWP, a hit single from Russ American Natural Onyx. Worldwide peace. Get it on all digital networks, iTunes and all other platforms. Stream it today. Contact Poor People Production 1-876-808-6301. Mad!
To the south, to the east, Europe and the Middle East. Take the violence out the streets. I'm begging you, please.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, all of my fans. I know I'm nothing but love, saying. As usual, I don't know a worldwide piece. May I ask you to please go and check it out. Download it, stream it, buy it, add it to your playlist. Russ American featuring Natural Onyx from out of Cincinnati. Yeah, man, a peace and love we say right across the world. Saying, peace, peace, peace. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. This brother, gambling money in the gambling shop, lose all of it. Took it to heart and walk out in a big truck and kill himself. So me said the whole of him chest tear out. May his soul rest in peace and condolence to him families them. You know, it happened last week and I heard the catastrophe. You know, all of a diversion, the road is closed off. Peckham Riley and it happened on the scene. Yeah, so yesterday now me I come out for the school run, go pick up my son them from school, and this lady see me ask me because she know I'm a bus driver, you know. She said the person is well known in the area. A yard man as well, Jamaican, see. So I said, no, but I'm going to find out depth. I'm going to find out more about it. So she said, we're gambling money and lose it and take it to heart. You know, I said, John was star. So I just have to talk on that topic, you see me? Yeah, maybe the money that I'm going to lose, you know, I'm picking them school money. I can him bills to pay him rent. I can clear him debt. But him want to win some money to try to see if he can make up the money he have to do what he have to do. Or he's just addicted to gambling and go gamble and lose it off so he could have win. You know, he don't know where I'm going to tell him wife or baby mother or picking them or whosoever. You know, we have to do with the money that we lose. But no man take it out and walk out and chuck me here. I said, John was wicked. You know, so if you can't gamble and you can't take losing, don't gamble. If you gamble, have a limit where you want to lose. Because it's not nice. You see me? Yeah, man. Gambling is like drugs. You see me? You can get addicted to it. And which people lose all the most by gambling and care all them family too. You see me? Yeah, man, so I say, yo, gambling. Me gambling about a football me bet, but most me bet on a football game is at £5 or £1 or whatever. You see me, but no further. Yeah, man. So my people, try to manage your gambling if you are addicted to it or you love it. It's fun, nice when you win, but it's ugly when you lose. You see me? So my viewers and subscribers, my fans, I don't know, big up on myself, a lion foot, you know, peace and love, you know, until next time, you know, Jah guide and protection. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell and share. Out.